today? I hope my pink lips are doing great. So yeah, today this video is going to be me reviewing two Dollar Tree products. The first one is the LA Colors nail polish remover in the scent strawberry. You get 32 of these little things. Y'all seen me haul these, and so I'm going to show you how they work. And then I'm going to also be using this cleansing nose strip with charcoal, whatever. I bought two of these a while ago, and I haven't used them yet, but I don't know if you can see, but I have blackheads on my nose, and so we're gonna see if it works to remove those. So first, this does smell like strawberry. It doesn't have a harsh, you know, traditional nail polish remover scent, and you get 32 of the little thingies. And they're rounds, just like a little cotton pad, and they are fairly thin because this is actually two. This is actually two. So this is how thin they are. If you can see, you can see my hand through there. So they're very thin, but they do seem to work very well. I should have showed you my nail first. One thing that I do like about them is that it's not drying, so it doesn't dry your cuticles or fingernails out. It helps like in taking your nail polish off without giving off that acetone traditional nail polish smell, because you know that stuff is strong, you know. Or if you have little ones or babies or someone that has asthma, you know, that's sensitive to smells, this is a good product to use, to travel with, you know. You probably could use it at work, at your desk, and no one would even know that you're over there taking off nail polish because you can't smell it. And so I'm gonna see if I can get all the nail polish off one hand with one of the pads. That's what we're gonna try to do. I really do like this color I have on. I got this color from my local beauty supply store, and it's a Ruby Kiss brand, and the color is Mickey Owl. I don't know. I forgot the name of it, but I'll link it down below. I'll put a link to it in the description box to the nail color that I have on. So yeah. All right, so let's see if we can get that last color off of this pinky nail. And I have a pretty long nail bed. Also, I think I have like 2 coats of this color on my nails. So it's coming. Yeah, so it looks like I'm able to use one little pad for one hand. So that's good. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my other hand, and then I'll be back. All right, so I got all the nail polish off both my hands, on all my fingernails. It's all gone. I only used 2 of the pads. So I highly recommend that you buy these. Okay, like I said, I got the nail polish off of all my fingernails. So if you see these in your local Dollar Tree, I highly recommend them. It's by LA Colors. You know, if you have a daughter, you know, young children, a young daughter, whatever, who likes to do her nails, this is something that, you know, you could trust her with without her, you know, spilling nail polish remover all over the place. And, you know, it's just easy and not messy at all. So, boom, there you have it. So, I'm gonna wash my hands. So, let's get it opened. And see. Oh, okay, that's something I didn't realize. You get 3 nose strips for $1. So that's a good deal. All right. So it says to, after washing your face, which I've already done, wet your nose. If skin is dry, the strip will not stick. All right, so let's wet our nose. Okay, the nose is wet. Dry hands. Okay, nose wet, hands dry. Open the inner. Okay, open. Okay, so tear right here. And immediately place on the nose with shiny side towards skin. Smooth down to ensure good contact on skin. So this is the bottom. The part that dips down is the bottom. And you're gonna move it. Shiny side up. The shiny side goes up on your nose. Wait, shiny side. Wait, let's read that again. Immediate place on nose with shiny side towards skin. Okay. So that's the bottom. And then the shiny part goes towards, see, it's shiny. And that goes toward down on the skin. Well, it definitely has a scent to it. It doesn't stink, nor does it smell good. It's just a scent. So that's what it looks like. Then it says let dry, allow at least 10 to 15 minutes until it stiffens. So we're gonna set our timer. The timer set. And so I'm gonna let it do some magic and I'll be back. All right, time is up. All right, so it says to slowly and carefully peel off edges towards the center of nose. Oh, shit. And that shit was gonna hurt. Did it say slowly? Because I'm getting teary-eyed and I want to go fast. Oh my God, y'all, this hurt. Shit. Woo! Ah. Y'all getting teary-eyed. Ah. It helps if you hold your nose. That look area around the tip of my nose hurt the most. Okay, this is my first time, y'all, so disclaimer. It hurts. Damn! Oh my gosh! Shit, it hurt, y'all. But that's what it looked like. Gross. That's what came off my nose. If it focuses. It left some kind of residue. I started washing it off my nose. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, I'll do it again. It hurt. I have to be prepared. Wow. Oh, I can't imagine doing a whole face at one time. That shit probably hurt for real. I mean, I'm sure that stuff hurts, excuse my language. So I would do it again, and then maybe next time I'll make sure like the tip of my nose is wet, and like fold that little tip in so I can get the little blackheads that's on the like part of my nose right there. So anyways, hey, it worked. It took off majority of the blackheads I had on my nose. So for $1, you get 3 in a box, so that's 33 cents a piece. So if you see these, I will get them. I don't see them all the time, so when I did buy them, I did buy 2 boxes. I had never used them before, but I was interested in using them, so I would recommend it. So I recommend these 2 products from the Dollar Tree. So go grab it, and yeah, that's all I have for now. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, drop those comments. And until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. Bye, guys.